Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. So in today's video we'll be using Brazilian wool hair to make this beautiful style. This style is so cute. In my country we call it Koso. So if you want to make this style and you're using Brazilian wool, just place the Brazilian wool anywhere. You can put it on your big toes, you can put it on a doorknob, you can put it anywhere just to hold it and roll it all out. And after you roll it out, just go ahead to cut it into two. Okay, just use your scissors and cut it. Okay, and I am working with about 26 inches. And this style, actually guys, I used only one pack of wool. I used just one pack to make this style, and I'm using 5 strands for each threading. Okay, so just go ahead, grab your hair, and use you're gonna fold the hair. Okay, you're gonna fold it, the Brazilian wool, you're gonna fold it and then use the longer ends to do the threading, and the shorter ends is going to be attached to the hair, to your natural hair. Okay, that will make the hair longer to the length that you want your threading to be. This style is very, very beautiful. In my language or in my country, I think different people calls it different name, but I know this style to be Koso. All you need when you've threaded the hair to the end, just go ahead to tie it really, really firm, because you don't want the hair to unravel at the end of the day. And then cut out the other side of the remaining of the wool. And the twist here, I'm just going to use my lighter to burn the ends a little bit. Okay, that way the hair will never ever unravel, and this hair will stay for a long time. Guys, this style is so beautiful because this style can actually make your kids' hair to grow. Like, it makes the hair, it stretches the hair out, and it also makes the hair to grow. Okay, like if your kids' hair, you want the hair to stretch out, right? Like you want to make it longer and all of that, just go ahead to thread your child's hair. It's very, very good. It's very, very effective. Guys, I've already moisturized this hair with Cream of Nature moisturizing lotion. That is what I use to moisturize the hair, and to make it faster, I just already parted the hair. And this pattern is called the tortoise back. Okay, people calls it different name, but I think my mom calls it tortoise back. I don't know. So that is how I cut this hair. It's not like box, but this is how it is. So guys, I will not really be talking for the rest of the video, but I'm sure that you can see what I'm doing. And if you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, and also please hit on that subscribe button and subscribe to my channel. Guys, please give me a thumbs up. Okay, like this video and also share this video to anyone that you think that this video will be helpful to. And also please leave me a comment in the comment section. If you have any question, please leave me a comment in the comment section. Okay guys, I'm sure that you understand what I'm trying to say. And thank you guys for supporting my channel. Thank you for subscribing, and thank you for the comments and the like. I'm going to be repeating this style over and over again so that you guys would understand, or you guys would learn how to make this style. It's so cute, guys. It's so cute. And the little princess is also so pretty. So the hair came out so super beautiful. Guys, I will be seeing you guys in my next video. Bye.